Hello, businesses, corporate offices, and even NGOs. We are here for you if you are looking for a trainer to do a workshop or a team to come to your team and do a corporate training in the area of mental health and well-being, team management, anxiety, stress, emotional intelligence in the workplace. Basically, we are there for you to make your organization successful. How do we make your organization successful? We have a huge team of experts in the area of mental health and team management, crisis communication, and anything that would cause your team members, your colleagues, or anything that would cause your colleague to struggle, whether it's in relationships or it's a dynamic in your organization that you don't like so much. Whatever it is, we are a specialized team that is prepared to customize a workshop for you or a retreat or even individual counseling. We meet with CEOs, we meet with sometimes principals or corporate offices, leaders and managers, and we understand what it is that your employees are struggling with or your management team so that we can make sure that you feel emotionally strong to meet your everyday task. To sum it up, what are we here for? We're here to meet your needs in the area of conflict resolution, in difficult relationships, in your NGO or in your business. Also, to be there for you if you're a CEO or if you're managers that are struggling with strategy, how to move your business forward. This is really important. We have to realize how much our workplace environment connects to our mental health, and whether or not we can meet our goals or be successful has a lot to do with our employees' mental health as well as our own mental health. So we do a lot of coaching as well. We also do personality exams to understand each dynamic on your team, whether it's your conflict style, your own personality, and then how that goes together with your teammates and also your boss or your manager. How then can you understand each other and use a little bit more strategy to meet your goals? It's very important to be satisfied individually and to be satisfied as a business owner. Either way, whoever you are, whether you're an NGO leader or a business leader or working in a business, we want to be there for you. We have a lot of packages, so please check us out. We really believe and are passionate about the individual counseling that is needed in the workplace because, most people aren't going to share everything with their boss or everything with their family either, especially in this society where confidentiality is very unique and hard to find. This can actually really affect someone's performance. This can really affect someone's physical health and well-being as well, because our physical health is very related to our mental health as well. We also have nutrition programs and fitness programs, so we are there for you in the area of overall wellness. So let's have a meeting and sit and talk, understand your struggles so that we can come up with the best solution for you and your team. We'll see you very soon. Take care.